So in this video we're looking at column addition, so very straightforward. If we get straight into it, 32 plus 45 using column addition method, 32 plus 45. So it's really important that when we're writing the numbers down, we line up the units and the tens and the hundreds if with larger numbers. So 2 plus 5 is 7, 3 plus 4 is 7. Nice and straightforward. In this example, no carrying. Okay, that'll make a bit more sense when we do the next one. 156 plus 27. 6 plus 7 is 13. So put the 3 down, carry the 1. 5 plus 2 is 7, add the 1 is 8. And just bring the 1 down, 183. So in the first example, no carrying. In the second example, we had to carry a 1 because 6 plus 7 gave us 13, so we can only put the 3 down and carry the 1, and remember to add that on when we're doing the second column. So in this example, we had to carry over. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. 98 plus 46. 8 plus 6 is 14. Carry the 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. Add the 4 is 14. So the answer is 144. So we can use the same method for adding with larger numbers. So we've got 2,496, add 347. So once again, making sure I'm lining up the units, tens and the hundreds. So 7 plus 6 is 13, carry the 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, add the 4, 14. Carry the 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2. Okay. In this last example here, we've got lots of numbers. So what we could do, we could get all these numbers, write them down in a column, and do the addition. But the problem with that is, if we make one small error, one small mistake, it will make our answer wrong. So what can we do? Like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. Any ideas what we can do? What we could do is split that up into 2 groups. So I've got one group of 4 here and another group of 4 there. So what I'll do is I'll add these 4 numbers first, get an answer. Add these 4 numbers, get an answer, and then the 2 answers, I'll add them up to get the total of the 4 numbers added together. So let's do that. So we've got 47, 98, 246, and 32. Let's add these together. So I've got 8 plus 2, that gives me 10. 17, 18, 19, 20, 23. Put the 3 down, carry the 2. Then I've got 4 plus 4 is 8. Add the 2 gives me 10. 19, 20, 21, 22. So put the 2 down, carry the 2. And 2 plus the 2 is 4. So the total of the first 4 numbers is 423. Now I'm going to do the same with these 4 numbers. 96 plus 34 plus 418 plus 192. So 6 plus 4 is 10, 8 plus 2 is 10, so that gives me 20. 6 plus 4 plus 8 plus 2 gives me 20. Put the 0 down, carry the 2. I've got 9 plus 9 gives me 18. Add the 2, that's 20, 23, 24. And then we've got 4 plus 1 is 5, add the 2, 7. So now what we're going to do is get these two numbers and add them together. 423 plus 740. 3 plus 0 is 3. 2 plus 4 is 6. And 7 plus 4 is 11. So 1163. So when I was doing the adding up in these calculations here, you might have noticed I was using my number bonds. Usually I'm looking to make numbers up to 10. So for example, when I'm adding numbers here, I'm looking at 6 add 4, that gives me 10. 8 add 2, that gives me 10. Okay. I hope you found that useful. So adding using the column method, very straightforward. Just to recap, the most important thing probably is to make sure you line up your digits, the units and the tens. Secondly, remember sometimes you have to carry over. So if you carry over, remember to add that on in the next column. Thirdly, if you've got lots of numbers to add together, you can break it down into smaller groups and then do the total at the end. I hope that was quite straightforward and you found it useful.